Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My channel, in association of Teaching Point. Like, subscribe, comment. Visit our website www.teachingpoint.org.in.
Class 12th, Subject Chemistry, Chapter 7, P Block Element. Here we will discuss Group 16. First, we will discuss occurrence. Group 16 of periodic table consists of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, and livermorium, recently discovered radioactive element with very short half-life. Except polonium and livermorium, all other elements of this group are ore-forming, hence called chalcogens. First, we will discuss occurrence of oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth. It occurs atmosphere to the extent of 21% by volume and 23% by mass. It also occurs in the combined state in earth crust by 46% by mass. The combined state of oxygen includes water in ocean, silicates, carbonates, phosphates, nitrates, sulfates, borates, etc. Ozone exists in stratosphere layer of atmosphere and protects the biosphere against ultraviolet radiation. Sulfur, occurrence of sulfur. Sulfur is found in free as well as in combined state. It is found in volcanic eruption, that is in H2S and SO2 form. H2S is also found in spring water, coal gas, sewage gas. Sulfur occurs as a sulfide and sulfate form. Ore of metal such as zinc blende, galena, copper pyrite, cinnabar, Epsom salt is also contain sulfur. Sulfur is found in biological system like egg, hair, wool, onion, garlic, mustard, etc. Selenium, tellurium, polonium, and livermorium occur as other elements like selenium, tellurium, and polonium are scarce, means have limited availability. Selenium and tellurium occur in selenite and telluride along with the ore of sulfur. Polonium is the decay product of uranium and thorium. It was discovered by Marie Curie in 1898 and named after her motherland, Poland. Okay, after the name of the Poland, polonium is given. Okay, when Marie Curie discovered it. Livermorium is man-made artificial radioactive element. Physical properties. Electronic configuration, here we will discuss. The electronic configuration of group 16 element have general electronic configuration, that is NS2, NP4. Okay. Atomic and ionic radii. As we move down the group, the atomic and ionic radii is gradually increases. The reason behind is it due to increase in number of shells. The atomic radii of group 16 element are smaller as compared to those of group 15 element. The reason is, as we move from left to right, effective nuclear charge is increases. That is why the atomic size of group 16 element are smaller than that of the group 15 elements. Ionization energy or ionization enthalpy. The ionization energy of group 16 element decreases down the group due to increase in atomic radii, and this increase in atomic radii is due to increase in number of shells. Okay, now the ionization energy generally increase from left to right across a period. However, the ionization energy of group 16 are lower than that of the corresponding group 15 element. It is due to that the stability of half-filled p subshell in nitrogen family or in group 15 elements. The electronic configuration of group 15 element is ns2 np3. This is a general electronic configuration. In this, the p subshell is half filled, that is why it is much stable. Okay, electronegativity. The electronegativity decrease down the group due to increase in atomic size. As the atomic size is increases, the electronegativity is decreases. Thus, non-metallic character is also decreases down the group and metallic character is increases. Oxygen is the second most electronegative element in the periodic table. Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. The element of oxygen family have larger negative value of electron gain enthalpy and it decreases down the group. However, oxygen is found to have less negative electron gain enthalpy than that of the sulfur. The reason behind it is because of small size of oxygen and high electron density of in case of oxygen, and there is electronic repulsion is also plays an important role. So in case of oxygen, its size is small, electron density is high, and electronic repulsion is maximum. That is why the oxygen is have less negative electron gain enthalpy value than that of the sulfur. Okay, now multiple bond formation. Oxygen has no vacant d orbital in valence shell, hence it is unable to form d pi p pi multiple bond. However, it forms p pi multiple bond. Other element of group possess vacant d orbital in the valence shell, hence they form d pi p pi multiple bond. The tendency of d pi p pi bonding is decreases as we move down the group. Catenation. The self-linking property of atom is called catenation. It is supported by small size of atom and stronger covalent bond between the two atoms. Catenation is more pronounced in sulfur than that of oxygen. Okay, you know that sulfur is exists in the form of acid, but oxygen is exists in the form of either O2 or in O3. So it is more pronounced in case of sulfur. It is due to the weaker covalent bond in case of oxygen. Okay, on account of small atomic size of oxygen, due to lone pair repulsion, its covalent bond is become weaker. The tendency of catenation decreases down the group. Okay, now melting and boiling point. the melting and boiling point increases gradually from oxygen to polonium. The reason behind it is, on moving down the group, the molecular size is increases. As a result, van der Waals force of attraction is also increases, and therefore the resulting that the melting and boiling point is also increased gradually. Okay, so as the size is increases, van der Waals force of attraction is increases, and melting point and boiling point is also increases. Allotropy. All the element of this group show allotropy. Oxygen have allotropic form, that is oxygen and ozone. This is actually dioxygen. We call it normally oxygen. Sulfur have allotropic form, that is rhombic, monoclinic, plastic and amorphous form. Selenium have red form, which is non-metallic, gray form, which is metallic, and black form, which is amorphous in nature. Tellurium is crystalline, have crystalline form and amorphous form. So these are the allotropic form of tellurium. Polonium is exist in alpha form and beta form. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My View My channel, in association of Teaching Point. Like, subscribe, comment. Visit our website www.teachingpoint.org.in.